Paddle, 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 go, go, go. Oh my gosh. Hey, a dinosaur.
Indiana Rose, I caught a glimpse of you out on the road, quiet like a dove. You're whispering a symphony I know, breathing the breeze and trying to grow, lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Indiana Rose, I couldn't see you on my way
torn to shreds by grenades and gasoline. The louder the better. Punk rock and
Yep. After walking down those flight of stairs, stony stairs, passing through a little stream here. How nice! Wow, look at that! You can see the architecture of this place. They're seeing it in real now. This is where the people live. Hello! Oh, just riding on the cliff, on the hillside, seeing all these scenery. Simply unreal. Just going past. Wow. Surrounding is just beautiful. Oh, look at that. Nice. Wow. Amazing. Where is him?
Oh, I see.
Say again, what is this?
This is Central Jail.
Oh, wow. Oh. So this is the central jail over there, if you can see. It's like a little prison. A prison with a nice scenery. Interesting. And here we go. Let's go. And let's look more. Ah, so cute. You can see some sheep over there. A lot of these people, they rear their own animals. Hello. Ah, there's a cow over there. Oh, this way. What's this? Oh, okay, it's a sandy path. Not too bad. Nice. Oh, wow. Riding through the village. Very nice. Oh. Wow, look at this. The view opens up to the nice
Urban views, huh?
yeah. Look at the views around, guys. I hope the camera captures it well enough for you guys to see.
I would say it's not all single track, huh? Over here.
Yeah. Wow, this is a paved road. Nice. Save our butt for a while.
Wow, it's actually smooth.
Yes.
Actually, close to real feeling.
Yeah. It's a therapeutic experience. Oh. You stay? Oh, you stay here? Nice! You got a nice house with a nice view. I envy him, man. You see? Wow. Oh my. Oh, wait. I hear some music here. Probably some music activities. Drumming. Oh my, this is an experience that money cannot buy. You just have to be here, guys, to experience it for yourself. Oh, it's a little town. Cafes on the left and on the right. You see people here going around, they are going about their daily lives here. So nice. Some shops selling snacks. I'm actually heading towards the market now, which is where they sell a lot of their local produce. And also will be a good chance for me to get some snacks, souvenirs maybe. See the little cute tuk-tuk here coming up? They use that as their transport here, like their local taxis. Unreal, this is so nice. I never thought I would be doing this or seeing this on a bike. I was expecting to do it on a motorbike, but I think I'm doing it on very well on a mountain bike as well. Oh, it's a great place to be. Oh, right side. Oh, okay, okay. And over here, the traffic stay on the right side. So in Singapore, we are so used to being on the left side, but here on the right side. You see kids walking around, going about. It's Saturday today, by the way. So you see the locals here. See the locals here having a good time, enjoying their weekends. Oh, this must be their central shopping area. You see a lot of shops selling electronics, hardware, phones, clothes, toothpaste. Well, if a mountain bike can bring me to such places, such beautiful places, I think I might just do that more now. It's warmed up quite a lot. The temperature is about 17 degrees now. A bit windy. Light jacket will do. Stay on the right side, yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. And I'm taking a bit slow so that the video captures the surroundings clearly. And oh, it's a long way down. I wouldn't want to imagine riding the other way up, except maybe on a motorbike. So nice, so nice. I keep forgetting to keep on the right side. So used to being on the left side of the road. Them hanging along here. Oh, look at this. Oh, they got a community hospital here on my right. That's their hospital. And hello chickens. things roaming freely in the street. We keep on the right again, remember?